Hey guys, Norman over with SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you set up the SoundCar to emulate different rolling stock types. So in front of me here, we have a dynamometer car. This is a model that's actually made by Rapido Trains UK, and I've actually put a SoundCar in it. Now I've also gone ahead and tied it into the internal lighting systems as you saw in the intro. But what we're concerned about today is setting it up to emulate what the dynamometer car would have sounded like in real life. So right now, out of the box, the SoundCar has a bunch of sounds enabled that it shouldn't have. For instance, the horn. Obviously, the dynamometer car didn't have an air horn in real life. And bell as well. Obviously, no UK prototype had a bell, unless they were traveling to another country, like the Flying Scotsman did at one time. However, what we're going to want to do is use CV117, which we have this chart here, to disable specific sounds. And as you can see, we already have a few options predetermined with ready-to-use values that you can use. So in this case, we're actually going to use the passenger car without the generator, since it has all the sounds we're going to use and none of the ones that we don't. So to do that, we're just going to go into CV117 and select 244. And you can hear that little cowbell sound, and that tells us that the decoder received the programming on main command that I just sent it. So now, if I go back to our ops mode and I try pressing the horn key, you can hear there's no horn. Same thing with the bell. Nothing there. But if I throttle it up to the decoder's address, you can hear we have our flange, squeal, and clickety clack sounds. And as well as if I turn on function 6, you can also see that the internal lights come on. Now, if I also press F11, you'll hear the sound of the brakes being applied. Because, like all of my models, I have momentum and braking rates set up in this model. Now, obviously it's not going to actually slow down with that, but what it will do is it will produce the appropriate sounds that it would if it were going at that speed behind a locomotive. So guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a shout at support@soundtraxx.com. We're also available by phone from 9 to 5:30 Mountain Time. Thanks for watching.